spent an afternoon with me and Willow. So first I fed her dinner. I gave her a cup and a fourth of dry food because she ran out of her wet food. Then I gave her a fresh breath treat because her breath was really bad. And then I just gave her another treat for the fun of it. Closed up the caps, then filled her food with water so she wouldn't choke. Then we put her harness on because we were going to go on a little adventure. Then we got into the car, headed off to the boat. She was very naughty today. She figured out how to take her life jacket off and went for a little swim, but it's alright. The only reason she has her life jacket in the first place is because she'll just swim off to nowhere, but that's okay. Then we put her life jacket back on and hopped onto the boat. She was loving the breeze in her ears. Then she caught wind of a bird. That almost ended very badly in her jumping off the boat, but she didn't. Then we threw a couple sticks for her, took one last little swim, and hopped back in the car. She was so tired. So that's it. Bye!